guys, me from the future. I just wanted to show you guys what the hair looks like when I install it, because I know I definitely like to see that before I start a video. So I just did a little side part. I'm just going to be showing you guys in this video how to install a wig. Way simpler method. If you guys would like to see this method, then just keep on watching. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be doing an install my wig video. I really don't know how to name this video, but I just got some hair from ISEEhair and I just wanted to show you guys, like tell you guys what I think about it, but also like install the wig, because I have another method of doing it where it's honestly not that hard, and I don't know, I don't put on like the bold hold glue or anything. So stick around if you guys want to see this video. Came in this little package right here. I'm gonna open this and then literally just show you guys what it looks like when it's like fresh out of the package. So I bought it off of ISEEhair, but through AliExpress. So it usually takes a long time for hair to come from AliExpress, but it really did not take long at all. I think it took like a week, and it was literally here, when it usually takes like way longer. Like I was expecting it by the end of July or something. But anyway, this is what it comes in, like this. And then okay, so it says ISEEhair on it. So I'm just gonna open this up for you guys. So exciting. Oh wow, you guys. It comes with some lashes. I don't know if I'm gonna wear these, but these are cute, I guess. Might have to give those away to somebody. But it comes with like a wig cap, and that's not my shade, but it's still gonna work out because I can put some foundation over it. And yeah, that's really it. Okay, so this is what the hair looks like. And the hair that I got is 180% density Mongolian hair. I'm just gonna open it up. This is kind of different because like I have two wigs right now, and my other one that I have, I cut into a bob, but it's like mostly straight, like loose waves. And then this one I have, I think it's like also loose waves. I don't know. I think it's like beach waves or something like that. But I curled this one, so that's why it looks like it, like this. And so look. How cute is that? I don't remember. This feels amazing, by the way. This feels really good. Wow. Like this is such great quality. I'm so excited. And I still need to bleach the lace, but it looks like 360 frontal. I think I got the 13x6 frontal. And yeah. Well, it's just lace, and then it has this in the back. So it has like some tracks in the back, which that's how this one is. I thought this one was full lace also, but then I took like a closer look at it. It still kind of looks, it looks the same honestly as like full lace wigs, but this is how it looks. I think I definitely got the 18-inch. So let's see. It's like shoulder length. I wanted to get something a little bit shorter, but this feels amazing, guys. So the first thing I'm gonna do to get this wig ready is I'm definitely gonna wash it first, just because of all that's going on. I sanitized the package before I touched it, but I just wanna sanitize this wig also, because you never know, like because of like where it's coming from and everything, like you don't know what they did with the hair. But yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys that whole process, and we're gonna install it. This is probably gonna be a 2-day process because it takes a long time to wash hair and dry it and everything, but I'm gonna show you guys the whole entire process, so stay tuned for it. And yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Please like and share, because that helps that really helps my channel. And like, just know from now on, because I am the biggest stutterer ever, so if you hear that in my videos, just know, because I've literally been that way my whole life. But anyway, let's get on with the video. So first I'm going to start out by using this Nourishing and Coconut Milk Shampoo by the brand OGX. Many people usually use conditioner to wash their wigs, but I find that this shampoo is really moisturizing instead of drying like most shampoos. as you guys will see, I'm going to be dunking my wig into this water several times, and then later on I'm going to go in and wash it into just some fresh clean water without any shampoo in it, just to make sure I fully clean the wig. And I'm just going to be drying this on my wig mannequin, which you can find at the beauty store for like $3. Hey guys, so I really thought this was going to take 2 days, but my wig literally dries so fast. As I showed you guys in the last clip, I just dried it on my wig mannequin. And so I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like. I know I have no hair on right now, but yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like. So I got the 13x6, and so it's really wide this way, and then as you can see inside, it goes back pretty far. So it goes back 6 inches this way and then 13 inches wide. So I'm really excited. I'm not going to use the clips on here. I'm going to put a band in here. I'm just going to show you guys my last wig. My wig that I was wearing like at the beginning of this video, so that you guys can see the band that I put in and where I put it in. Okay, so this is my other wig. As you can see, it has like the tracks at the back. But anyway, so this is what it looks like on the inside. So I put the band like where the wig combs used to be. So I just put one here, but of course before I put these on, I just made sure that it was the width of my head, because you don't want it to be too tight, because you don't want to have a whole headache during the whole day. So yeah, with this one, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna install a band at this side probably, and this side right here. But for now, I'm just going to show you guys how I install it, me cutting everything, and you guys will just see the new method that I do, because it's so simple, and honestly, it's not even a method at all. So I'm just going to scoot my wig cap forward a little bit more. If you guys want me to do a little makeup look, then just let me know, because I've changed up how I do my makeup to make it look a little bit more natural. And yeah, anyway, so I'm just gonna put this baby on. How embarrassing would that be if this thing did not fit me? Okay, it feels really big right now. Let's see. I'm gonna scoot it forward. Okay. So I know people usually make it so that the shape of the hairline is like how their actual hairline is, and mine, I really don't have like a widow's peak or anything like that, so I'm just gonna cut it like that. And I know that people usually use an eyebrow razor to do it, but I'm just gonna do it with scissors. I'm gonna hope that this turns out good. How cute is this? Wait, let me just show you guys how it looks without even installing it, because I still look cute. Anyway, okay, so I'm just gonna hold the hair back. Okay, so I cut off the sides like off camera because that was easier, and I'm just gonna show you guys me cutting the rest. So I just finished cutting the wig and everything, as you saw. They have like this little piece, I feel like it kind of goes in right there, and I think it's just to create like a more natural hairline. So what I'm gonna do, because I'm not gonna bleach the wig right now, I'm gonna grab my concealer that I use, which is just the Maybelline, and I'm just gonna put it on my brush a little bit. And we are just gonna go at that. We're gonna put it in that area. Let me do is just look at this, you guys. I was freaking out for a second, but I don't know what I was freaking out for, because look at this. Probably need to grab more. So I'm just gonna put this everywhere. And get a little bit more. I'm just gonna put it down on this little thing right here, so I can grab it if I need it. Like some literally like paint swatches down on here, because look at this. You can literally, like, you can't even tell anymore. Some more. Put that here. Can you, like, I'm sorry, but can you see my lace? No, you can't. Exactly. So y'all better try get this wig, because I didn't even have to bleach it. Are you kidding? We're gonna have to see what the when I like section it and everything, what it looks like in the middle, because that's usually a problem. But so I'm not done, you guys. Just hold on a second. I just needed to pull it forward. Okay, so okay, if you have a band, and only if you have a band, please don't do this if you guys do not have a band, but if you guys have a band, it'll hold it tight enough that you won't have to like put any glue or anything on it, because usually like the wig I was just wearing, don't think I put some glue on that. I did not like fully install it. I just threw it on because I had the band in the back. It was the perfect fit, snug in the front, just yeah, just everything. I'm just gonna show you guys what I usually use for my edges. I literally just use this combo. So it's the Eco styling gel, black castor and flaxseed oil, and then I also go in with this, which is the Super Look by Wetline Extreme Hold Gel, and it's a styling gel. So I'm just gonna go in with both of those. I usually go in with the Eco styling gel first. So I'm just gonna pull out some of the baby hairs, because I don't even know if they cut them. So let me just see. Okay, so the edges are not cut. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with this comb, and I'm just gonna slide out what I think should be the edges. So I'm just gonna cut this little part, and I'm gonna cut at an angle so that it's like, and then I'm just gonna go around and cut the rest of it before I go ahead and do my edges. Okay, so I cut out all my edges, moved my hair back a little bit, and I'm just gonna go ahead and go in and do my edges, which is the best part, but sometimes it takes too long. Okay guys, I was really struggling. I was trying to do way too much, okay? So anyway, I'm just gonna go in with my Super Hold, and I usually just whip that on top of it. I don't even usually do my edges like this, man. I don't know what I was thinking. I was like, oh, this video is going good, let me just try a little something. No, I should have just did what I usually do, because I made it complicated. Okay, so what I usually do is I usually part it and like do it this way. I don't know if it's gonna look as good whenever I since I have like curls. I'm feeling high. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in and just pluck a little bit of this, because it doesn't look like you need to be able to see a little, at least a little bit of sculpt. So Just gonna go in, pluck it a little bit. Okay, so I went in and plucked just a little bit, and I'm just gonna go back in with my concealer just to go in that space. I didn't pluck too much, but I plucked just enough so that you could at least see something. And I know it looks like this hair, girl, this hair is full, but I'm just gonna go in with some water. I have this little mist, this little spray mist, my little sister's. I'm just gonna go in and just spray it just to make the curls like lay down just a little bit more because they're wild right now. Okay. I love how cute this looks. I don't think I've ever had a curly wig before. I feel like it's just gonna look a little bit more natural, kind of, because natural to me anyway, because my hair is curly. Okay. See how that laid down a little bit more? So, spraying it back a little bit. If you guys wanted to know, for maintenance of wigs and stuff, just make sure you like condition it like once, like you can do it once every 2 weeks if you're paranoid, or you could do it like once a month. But I don't wear like my wig whenever I'm working out, so I don't know. I don't know if that makes it dirtier or less dirty, cleaner. I'm just gonna literally, we're gonna stand here and I'm just gonna dump this water on myself. Okay. Needs a little bit more water in the bag. Literally so clumsy, I'm almost falling down. I don't think I've seen a video of somebody doing like cutting their lace and everything while standing up, so y'all give me a little bit of props because I feel like it just looks better when you're standing up. Okay. How cute. You can't even see the edges that I did on this side, but no problem because they didn't look that great anyway. Still look cute, but not great. How cute is this, guys? Like I said in the beginning, this is just 18 inches, so it comes to a little bit past my shoulders, and I'm 5'5", so that's just for reference. Looks cute to the side. Okay, looks cute in the front. Okay guys, that is the end of the video. I hope you guys like this hair as much as I do. I did not show you guys the back, so let me just turn around. That's what it looks like in the back. A little side shoulder movement. So yeah, I really like this hair. It was, I don't know, it just looks so much better than I expected. If you guys have any tips on like what else I should do with this wig, how to take care of curly wigs especially, just let me know because I have never had a curly wig before, but I really hope that this was an informative video for you guys. I hope you guys subscribe and like this video just to come along the journey with me. There's going to be so many more fun videos that I have planned, and yeah, just please comment down below what you guys want to see also, because that is equally as important. But anyway, hope you guys like this video. I will see you guys next time. Stay safe out there, and yeah, love you guys. Bye.